Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to our English class. Today we will study English Primer Chapter 3 Vowel Sound of E. Speak loudly. Wet, jet, pet, man, hen, den, tet, red, head. Learning skills. Ed, tet, fed, bed, red, wet, shed. Egg, leg, cleck, dreg, cake, back, bag. N, yen, when, then, men, ten, den. Et, wet, get, jet, let, met, net. Let's do the exercise. A. See the scene and fill in the blocks with missing vowels. Dave had a pet. It was a hen. The hen laid golden eggs. It slept on a bed. Dave met two men. They had a key and a pen. B. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. A cow is in the shed. A spider is in the web. A hen gives us eggs. A boy is sleeping in the bed. I hope you enjoy learning.